This tiny speaker might be the loudest thing that you can throw in a bag, but is the Wonderboom 4 actually worth your money in 2025? Let's find out. Now, Ultimate Ears did send this over for review, but as always, these are my honest opinions after using it for a few weeks. So I was looking for something super portable for picnics, beach trips, and general travel, and I've heard really good things about Ultimate Ears products, so I was super stoked when this was sent out. This is a compact, waterproof Bluetooth speaker designed for life on the go. It's about the size of a large coffee mug, weighs under 500 grams, and the big selling point here is its surprisingly loud 360-degree sound in a rugged, portable package. What I love about this is that it keeps the classic Wonderboom look with these chunky, gigantic volume buttons on the front, which are actually really easy to press as well. The fabric feels durable and it's IP67 rated, meaning it's fully waterproof, dustproof, and even floats on water. I like the little loop on top for clipping it to a bag, and it's also drop tested from about 1.5 meters, so it can take a few knocks as well. It's also made from over 30% recycled plastic, which is a nice touch if you care about those sort of eco-friendly products. Pairing is simple, and you can link up to 2 Wonderboom 4s for bigger stereo sound. Press once to double up, and then press again for proper left and right channels. It's rated for 14 hours of battery life too, and in my use, I got around 12 to 13 hours at moderate volume. It has an outdoor boost mode that tweaks the EQ to project better outside, and there's also a new podcast mode, which makes voices sound richer and clearer.
And that was it. So I literally spent my spring break.
Multi-point pairing means you can connect 2 devices and switch between them really easily. And in my testing, I was able to walk a good distance away without any signal drop, which was genuinely impressive from this small device. Now, of course, this is a speaker, so you want it to sound good, and I'm glad to report that it sounds absolutely fantastic. Indoors, it can fill an entire room, and outdoors, it's surprisingly powerful for its small size. The bass is punchy, mids and highs are clean, and it doesn't distort much, even at max volume. I've used it indoors when I'm in the shower and outdoors at the park, and for something this small, it never felt underpowered. One feature that I didn't expect to care about much at all, but ended up loving, is the podcast mode. It tweaks the EQ to bring out vocals in a really natural way, and it genuinely makes it feel like the person is sat in the room talking with you. Whether you're listening to a podcast or a YouTube video, voices sound clearer, warmer, and more focused. It's actually a really subtle feature, but really effective, especially if you do listen to a lot of spoken word content. One thing I did learn in my testing was that yes, it does float, but it does tip over in the water. So if you throw it in the pool, you might want to flip it for the sound to project properly. Not a big deal, of course, but good to know. Now, the downsides, it charges via USB, but doesn't support fast charging, so it does take a little bit of a while to top up. There's also no microphone for calls, and while it sounds fantastic for the size, it obviously won't compete with bigger speakers because that's just physics. With that being said, Ultimate Ears do actually make larger models like the Boom and Mega Boom if you do want more bass and volume. But if you want a small, rugged, and genuinely loud portable speaker, the Wonderboom 4 is very easy to recommend. Perfect for travel, outdoor use, or just throwing in the bag. If you need huge bass or all-day battery life, then definitely go bigger. But for most people, this is a great pick. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about the Wonderboom 4? And if you are thinking about picking one up, then of course, as always, I will leave a link in the description to where you can buy one. Check out this video on the screen if you haven't done so already. And of course, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.